Hi everyone, I'm Ammy. Today is July 20th, 2026. So, what are the best things to observe and photograph across Europe this week? Come and take a look with me. During the first half of the week, the moon will set around midnight. So once the moon is below the horizon, you can bring out your equipment and start imaging the deep sky. But as we get closer to the weekend, moonlight will become more noticeable. The good news is, this also gives us a great opportunity to observe the moon itself. You can easily find it after dinner. Even with a simple pair of binoculars, you should be able to see the lunar seas, the line between light and shadow, and some of the larger craters. Now let's take a look at the planets. About half an hour after sunset, look low in the western sky for brilliant Venus. As long as you have a clear view toward the west, it should be very easy to see with the naked eye. With a small telescope at around 30 times magnification, you can also see its phase. It looks like a tiny moon. And if you are still awake later in the night, you can also get up early and look for Saturn. The best time is about 1 to 2 hours before sunrise. Saturn will be in the eastern to southeastern sky. From southern Europe, it may reach an altitude of around 35 to 45 degrees. From Central Europe, it will be closer to 25 to 35 degrees. And from Northern Europe, it will appear even lower. Look for a bright, slightly yellow point of light. That will be Saturn. Even an entry-level telescope can reveal its rings. With a telescope of around 150 millimeters or larger, you may also see more detail in the rings, along with several of Saturn's brighter moons. And yes, there is also a comet to challenge this week. It is Comet 10P Tempel 2. The best observing time is between about 2:30 and 4 in the morning, when it will be in the southern sky. From southern Europe, it may reach an altitude of around 30 degrees. From Central Europe, it will be closer to 20 to 25 degrees. From Northern Europe, it may only reach around 15 degrees. The comet is currently around magnitude 8 to 9. It is still too faint to see with the naked eye, and it is moving through Capricornus. Because the comet changes position every day, use Stellarium, Sky Safari, or another planetarium app to check its exact location before you go outside. Actually seeing it will not be easy. You will need a genuinely dark sky. A telescope with an aperture of at least 100 millimeters will give you a much better chance. For photography, try a focal length between 200 and 500 millimeters. Take plenty of exposures of around 30 seconds each. Then align and stack the images on the comet. This may reveal a clearer coma and perhaps even a faint tail. Now let's move on to the deep sky. Our visual target this week is Messier 27, the Dumbbell Nebula. The best time to observe it is around midnight. Across much of Europe, it should reach an altitude of around 60 to 75 degrees. If you have a go-to mount or a smart telescope, simply select M27. To find it manually, first locate the summer triangle. Then look between Deneb and Altair for the small constellation Sagitta. M27 lies just to the north of it. Under a dark sky, binoculars can show it as a tiny gray patch. An 80mm telescope can reveal its basic shape. And with a larger telescope, plus a UHC or O3 filter, its famous dumbbell shape becomes much easier to see. Finally, here is this week's astrophotography recommendation: the North America Nebula and the Pelican Nebula. Try to photograph them during the first half of the week, after the moon has set. Their best position will be between about 11 at night and 3 in the morning. Across most of Europe, this region will rise above 75 degrees. From some locations, it will pass very close to the zenith. You can use Go-To and select NGC 7000 for the North America Nebula or IC 5070 for the Pelican Nebula. A focal length between 135 and 300 millimeters is ideal for capturing both nebulae together. With a longer focal length, you can focus on details such as the Gulf of Mexico region, the Cygnus Wall, or structures inside the Pelican Nebula. For a color camera, I recommend using a dual band filter. Even from suburban skies, 1 to 3 hours of total exposure should reveal the main nebula structures quite clearly. And that is everything worth watching across North America this week. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you are planning to observe. I'm Ammy, clear skies, and I'll see you again next Monday.